Overdose deaths are on the rise in Alabama, many of them linked to the drug fentanyl.
Doctors say they're finding the substance in unlikely places. They're concerned about the impact it may have on adolescents. News 19's Kayla Smith joins us in the studio with more on this.
Well, doctors say recent overdoses have been caused by fentanyl, and some of their patients didn't even know they were taking it. Now, doctors are concerned that certain fentanyl-laced drugs may find their way into the hands of teenagers.
Really in the last 6 to 8 months that I'm seeing more and more patients who have fentanyl in their system who did not expect it to be there, and many are surprised and concerned.
Fentanyl is commonly associated with drugs like heroin and cocaine, but it has been found in a range of substances that are more commonly used by teens and young adults. Xanax, Adderall, marijuana, even vape cartridges can be laced with fentanyl. You can't see, smell, or taste fentanyl in these drugs, but laced substances acquired without prescriptions outside of pharmacies are far more likely to lead to overdose and death.
We lost 100,000 people, Americans, to overdose last year. Over 100,000 people, which is more than the AIDS crisis at the height of the AIDS epidemic. So really everyone at this point probably knows someone in their community who has died of overdose.
Madison County has one of the highest rates of overdose deaths of any county in the state. According to CDC data, on average, more than 100 people in Madison County died from overdose each month in 2021. Doctors are urging parents to have conversations with their children and other loved ones about the hidden dangers posed by fentanyl.
I think the worst thing we can do as parents and providers is to stigmatize, shame, and judge our patients and our children and our loved ones. We need to really arm them and prepare them while counseling them on the risk. And I think that's how we're all going to chip away on substance use in our community.
According to doctors, some community members have taken to keeping Narcan, a nasal spray that can be administered in the case of an overdose, with them. They also say that fentanyl test strips are a means of harm reduction. They can be used to test substances for fentanyl before you use them. For more information about local substance abuse resources, visit WHNT.com.